Hello, today the UDL that I will be working with will be screencast narrative video, and it will be a description of the steps I took to dissect a standard. Now, my horizontal group and I, our focused grade level is 3rd grade, and we went based off 3rd grade standards since it's the appropriate one. Now, we know it's a 3rd grade standard because at the beginning of the standard there is a number, and in this case it's a 3, which represents the 3rd grade level. Now, let's say if it was a K, that would mean kinder, or if it was a 5, that would mean 5th grade. Now, this is the grade level. However, this is the rest of the standard, which is the sort of expectation of both students and teachers. Now, with this standard, I read the whole thing through, and I then focused on the level of cognition, which is what the students are expected to do or their action. So in this case, students will describe and organize. Now, in order to make sure that the definitions that I know are the correct ones, we had to go ahead and make sure that they are the correct ones by searching them up on the Webster Dictionary definition and getting the right definitions, and then the content, which is the following step that I followed, is what is going to be taught or the information that will be provided. Now, in this case, the information that will be provided is physical and human geography and use, maps, tables, graphs, photographs, and charts, as well as information about people, places, and environments in a spatial context. In this case, the analysis is the same thing as the content, however, it's just a bit more specific with more details provided. Now, the 3 sources to help facilitate the content are materials that are going to be used during the lesson. For example, photo analysis and visual aids, interactive maps and digital tools, hands-on activities with graphs and charts. Now, this is all material that I can provide for students where they can use hands-on, and it can be something that can be easier for them to connect what they already know to something new. And following with the 2nd standard, we were supposed to focus on 2 standards. The first one was 3.1, now this was 3.2. It's a different standard, however, the process was exactly the same. We focused on the grade level, we read the standard, we then looked for the level of cognition. We made sure that the level of cognition is the same definition that we are used to, as well as the content on what's going to be taught, a brief description with a lot of detail on what is going to be taught, as well as sources that can be used in the classroom to help students be able to move through the lesson smoothly. This is simply the explanation of the process of the 2 dissected content standards that I mentioned. However, substandards, there was some substandards, but I didn't work with any substandards, so I didn't put those down at all. Now, one question that was mentioned for this UDL specifically was, why is it critical for us to know this process of the standards? Now, I believe it is critical because it is important for teachers to know what is going to be taught in the classroom. Now, I say this because the standard is sort of a study guide for the teacher to be able to teach and to be able to assess in her classroom. Now, this is if a teacher knows what she is doing, if a teacher is sure of herself and sure of her lesson, her students will be able to thrive. Her students will be able to ask questions with confidence that they're going to be provided with the proper answers and that they're going to be guided through a path that they're going to be able to succeed and become extraordinary rather than they be automatically set up for failure. Thank you so much. This is my UDL.